So I was just playing Steal a Brain Rot when a strawberry elephant randomly spawned out of nowhere. I got so amazed that I almost started to cry. Then I decided to flex on the little kids that didn't have the elephant. Ha 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 ha. But then Sammy's brother told me that the strawberry elephant is actually the worst thing in the game and that I should immediately sell it. So I didn't think twice and decided to sell the rainbow strawberry elephant. Tell me in the comments if I made the right choice or not.